Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Transit 350. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the heavy-duty trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch, rear park sensing, you do get a backup camera up there, you get a glass plate on the back here. We do get some nice black accents along this vehicle, keyless entry pad, some trailer tow mirrors with heated abilities. You do got some lights on here, side view camera, and moving to the front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. We do get this nice dual panel door, which does open on both sides, which is pretty nice. You got plenty of storage for all your tool needs, or you can set it up as a little camper, totally up to you. You get a little step to get onto the back. You do get some lights so you have better visibility in the back as well. We do get a sliding rear door as well with a nice big step to get to the back as well. Hooks and doodads, all that jazz, and your two seats for the front driver and passenger. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get a manual driver seat and passenger seat. You get a step to get in, plenty of door space up front, windows, mirrors, all there, oh, just right there, cup holder, lights, more storage here, auto stop and start, and parking brake all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 63 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering, toggle free screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we got our driving assist, navigation, audio, phone, settings, trip 1 and 2, my view with the digital speedometer. We got auxiliary switches, trailer brake, a little step to get to the back. We do get these armrests on both seats, which is pretty nice. Your gear select with tons of storage and cup holders. You got outlets here, storage in the glove compartment. You got storage on the dash as well with some outlets, storage above you as well, which is pretty handy. You can turn your lights on or off in the back as well, which is pretty handy. Here we got our drive modes, which do include normal, eco, slippery, tow and haul, mud and red. Got our climate controls at the bottom as well, max temp. 360 view of the vehicle, which is pretty handy. Parking assist, what you can turn on or off. Just going back real quick, we have our navigation, audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. Here's our navigation, pretty handy as well. Got little widgets on the side here as well. You can go for your audio while keeping your navigation on. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. Add your phone right there. Settings, just your normal vehicle settings. If it wanted to load. Come on, girl. There we go. Pretty normal, nothing spectacular about that. Got our features of the vehicle just here as well. Drive modes, owner's manual, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KB00084, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.